What's up, guys? Ashton over. No, she's fine. It's Ashton. Well, we're back with another video.
It's dark.
And we got my fidget spinner. Today, we're going to be dropping it out the window. Gavin's going to be filming it. So let's go outside and do it. Let's go. Gavin, take the phone.
Okay.
Hang on, let me take it off the charger. There you go.
Love you, people.
Okay, hurry up.
Wait, can you? We're making a video on Campbell Book. Say hi to the YouTubers. Okay. Outside, guys. Hey. Ow. We're outside, guys. So, come on. I'm making a video. Drop it.
Yeah.
Yeah? I got it.
3, 2, 1. Alright, come on.
What?
Yeah.
Did you boy? What is it? Dude. Guys, we did it. Yep, it both broke. Oh, it's my bad.
Well, that's the fidget spinner, one of the lights.
I think we're gonna get shocked.
Okay.
Wait.
Well, that is about it for the video. Bye.